Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your device ready. Enable developer options so you can use advanced controls, but first back up critical data. Once done, open Settings and go to Display. This gives you the built-in display size and font size sliders. Make small changes first, 0, 5 or 1 step, so you can judge layout versus readability. You'll use these built-in sliders now, and later we'll move to precise DPI or ADB commands if you need finer control. You'll switch to ADB for precise control because settings sliders are coarse. First, install ADB on your computer and enable USB debugging. Then connect and run a DB devices to confirm. Once connected, use a DB shell and the WM commands. WM density 380 to change DPI or WM size 1080x1920 to set resolution. Make one change at a time, then exit and inspect apps. If something looks off, you can revert quickly with WM density reset or WM size reset. You finish by rebooting and checking system screens and frequently used apps to ensure nothing overlaps or truncates. If an app appears broken or unreadable, revert with WM density reset or reset display size in settings. That resolves most issues immediately. Make sure to test orientation and keyboard input too. If you still need adjustments, consider per app scaling tools or launchers. Troubleshooting tip: if the system becomes unstable, boot to recovery or safe mode to undo change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.